Hello friends, in this video I will show how to write programs using NetBeans. So I will show here how to write program using NetBeans. So click on File, go to New Project, or you can also use Ctrl Shift N. Here you can see category Java. Under this category there are 4 projects. Click on Java application, go to Next, write the project name, say it is Hello World again. Here you can see that it is automatically by default a main class will be created, and the main class name is Hello World. Hello World. It is same as project name. Click on Finish. So here you can see Hello World.java is the file name. It is same as the main class name. The class name starts with capital letter. It is a convention. Here, just remove it. You can write system dot out. Here you can see the suggestions are coming. Print ln. Double quote, whatever you can write, hello world. So this double quote is for string. We want to print a string, hello world. We can write anything else, hello world, x, y, z, anything. So we have to run it. Click on Run tab, Run project, or you can also write Run file, because our current project is your Hello World. First save it, Run file. Here you can see the output Hello World XYZ. Okay. If we want to add anything, say 12, so that is here 2 strings, this one and this one, 12. It is concatenated. This concatenation is done by plus. So plus is being done as concatenation operation. So you can run it, run file, XYZ 12. There is no space, because this space after double quote, this is the space, is not for printing purpose. If I want to give space between XYZ and 12, I have to write space within the double quote. Save it and Shift F6 or run file. Here you can see the change. Okay, so this is the use of NetBeans. So in these 2 modules we will use the command prompt only. You can come back to the program, hello world. So if I want to take command line arguments, so what I have to write? So here I want to take the arguments. So this is string arguments. String args are taking command line arguments. This can be anything, args a also, or also we can write also third bracket here. What is the meaning of this third bracket? It is array, treated as array of strings. So if we give 3 inputs, then it will be taken as, considered as 3 inputs, means there are 3 in command line. It will be taken, the program will take 3 arguments. That is, A will be an array of 3 strings. Actually, string third bracket means string array of strings. Okay. Right. Say a for loop, string element colon A. A is an array, so we want to take each element of this array. Element is not a keyword, it can be anything. We can also write E also, but element is of type string. So then print it system.out.println semicolon sorry, print element, control S. Right, Java C hello world.java, compilation is fine. Now write. Now while executing this bytecode, we have to give command line arguments. Hello world, only hello world space, say the arguments are like this 4 5, and say hi. Also we can use also double quote, say for example. Okay, so four arguments are being passed as command line arguments. So here you can see that A is an array of strings. So how many strings are there? A is an array of 4 strings. 1 2 3 4. Press enter now. Here you can see hello world is being printed in this line. Now here in this for loop is known as extended for loop. Actually it is not in C. Here you can see that element colon A means element is the particular, since I have said that A is an array with 4 elements, 4 arguments is being passed. So at the start, element means 12 is the element, is the first element. So element colon A means it will start from the first argument up to the last argument. Now so the first argument is 12, so it is being printed by using this method, println method. Println method is in, you can see that out, system.out.println. System is a class. In system class, out is an object, and using this object we can call println method. Println method is already a defined method. We are calling this method. We have not written this println method, and we cannot directly call it. We have to call by using system.out.println. So here you can see first 12 will be printed, then 34.45 will be printed, then high will be printed, another high. If we are giving it with double quote, actually it is a string. Whatever you are giving with double quote or not, everything is treated as string. Whatever you are giving 12, it is not is an integer. It is treated as string. You have to convert it into an integer. You have to use it. In the next video, I will discuss about creating objects in Java. Thank you for watching the video.